Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Circuit-Synth where we're going to generate KiCad projects with Python code. So we're going to follow along with the README file exactly. So we'll knit a new UV project. Then we're going to add the Circuit-Synth library. And we're going to run cs new PCB to initialize this directory as a new Circuit-Synth project. You can see it generated a bunch of Python code. And then we're going to run main.py, which will output a KiCad project. And so we're going to open that KiCad project and we'll take a look at what we generated. So you can see Circuit-Synth generates hierarchical schematics where we feed in all of the signals that go into each subcircuit. And then in the subcircuit, you can see that all the parts are generated with the connections laid out as hierarchical connections, hierarchical labels. And so that just enables, it's really much easier to generate schematics this way, as opposed to trying to make a traditional beautiful schematics with wires. So also has the interesting side benefit of preventing you from making errors, such as using like 3v3, or there's also 3.3. A lot of times I've messed up boards making this mistake. And so when you pass in whichever connection it is, you know exactly what's going into that subcircuit. So using the hierarchical labels for everything just kind of nice. Um, you can see our ESP32 and another subcircuit debug header, LED. Um, and what's nice is these are reusable circuits because they're just Python code. You can see that in the code, for the LED, each component just gets declared as you would expect, one component, one Python declaration, nothing gets hidden. I try to make everything as simple as possible and as obvious as possible. So um, yeah, so this is the schematic, and then we go over to the PCB, and you can see this is the PCB. Layout definitely needs some work, but the core Circuit-Synth is trying to make sure the circuit that's generated is valid. And yeah, so this is where we're at right now. And it's a cool library, check it out. Integrated a lot of Claude Code agents and subcommands to try to make it easier to get started and make it easy to contribute if you think this is a cool project. All right, thanks.